In front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Quick disclaimer before we begin, I tested one-handed mode on this OPPO and many others, and unfortunately there is no way to use it with 3 buttons navigation. It requires gestures. So if you still wanna use it, go into settings. Then scroll all the way down to hit accessibility and convenience. Then scroll to tap on one-handed mode and use gray switcher right next to it to activate it. When your switcher is blue, that means that one-handed mode is on. Now follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. When I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up. You can also click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!